Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create that classic cartoony effect where a big character squeezes through a smaller object, like a pipe. If you've watched Tom and Jerry, you've definitely seen this kind of effect. Yes, it is totally possible in Blender, and I could do this in under a minute, but I'm going to walk you through common issues with Lattice Modifier and how to fix them. So this tutorial, for that reason, is going to be a bit longer, but it definitely would help you avoid mistakes and get it working smoothly. With our objects in place, I will proceed to add a lattice. In the object properties, I'll enhance the subdivisions and adjust the scale so the lattice extends along the entire length of the cylinder. Now, it is important to add a lattice modifier to our character. Use the eyedropper to pick the lattice object, then switch to edit mode. You will notice when I scale this set of vertices in edit mode, it directly affects our character. The workaround: scale in object mode first. I'll scale it in object mode, taking into consideration those set of vertices that transforms our character. We want to scale them to our desired scale in object mode. Once that is set, go into edit mode and scale just the parts you need to create the squeeze through effect. Now the character passes through the pipe. Be careful when scaling vertices of your lattice in edit mode. My advice: avoid touching the base layer of the vertices. They directly affect the mesh. Instead, scale the whole lattice in object mode first. They won't distort your character. Then go into edit mode and adjust the other vertices for the desired effect. That way, you keep control and avoid messy deformations. Now let's deform the pipe as the character passes through. First, I will add a new lattice and scale it slightly bigger than the character. Then I will increase the resolution in the object properties. Again, watch out for the bottom layer of vertices. Avoid touching them in edit mode. Add the lattice modifier to the pipe mesh and select the new lattice as the object. Take note of this set of vertices that directly affect your mesh. Let's call them the deforming vertices. Avoid editing this set of vertices in edit mode. Instead, switch to object mode and scale the entire lattice until the deforming vertices are right where you want. Once that is set, head back to edit mode and adjust the other vertices freely. This way, you have your mesh intact without any form of deformations. If needed, increase the subdivisions. I'm using 11 here. It will help make the deformation smoother. Something you should take note of is higher subdivisions comes at the cost of performance. Give your object some subdivisions your PC can handle. The result is that cool, exaggerated, squashed and straight look, just like in Tom and Jerry. Feel free to play around with the settings for your own project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.